Visionary leadership is one that cannot be bought or paid for. It comes with heartfelt passion and the desire to meet the needs of the people. When the people of Ogun State voted in Senator Ibikunle Amosun FCA as their governor, it didn't occur to them that they were getting two passionate leaders at the cost of one. The second in the person of his amiable wife, Mrs. Olufunsho Amosun. Mrs. Olufunsho Amosun, the wife of the governor of Ogun State, has been lending a helping hand to the needy, the vulnerable, and the underprivileged since the inception of the present administration through her Uplift Development Foundation. Uplift, Mrs. Amosun's foundation's name, is an acronym for understanding people's limiting and inhibiting factors today. Through this foundation, the wife of the governor has initiated many significant programs aimed at supporting the present administration in the state in its mission to rebuild Ogun State. These programs are aimed at empowering and uplifting the children, youths, women, and the aged people, regardless of their educational status, political, and religious backgrounds. Some of these activities include, but not limited to, uplifting the aged, where over 5,000 elderly people have been supported and fed since January 2012 to date. Free Eye Camp was done in collaboration with Tulsi Shanrai and MP Group. Many cataract and glaucoma surgeries were carried out. Several eyeglasses and several eye drops and drugs were provided at the eye camp, completely free of charge to patients in 2012. Uplifting Women, that is International Women's Day 2012 and 2013, where over 5,000 women have been empowered to become self-sufficient. Uplifting Widows, where over 500 widows have been empowered to be self-reliant in 2012 and 2015. Uplifting Unemployed Graduates, where 1,200 beneficiaries were put through a vocational skill training workshop and were empowered with business startup kits and cash tokens in 2012. Uplift Cancer Awareness Campaign, a free cervical and breast screening exercise, was carried out throughout all the 20 local government areas of the state in October 2012 and October 2015. Uplifting the Physically Challenged, where 1,000 beneficiaries were given small-scale business starts and other empowerment tools as required in 2012. Uplifting SS3 Students. This is an ongoing program where the best SS3 students in all the 20 local government areas in Ogun State were sponsored for a leadership training program in the United Kingdom in 2012. The second batch will depart over Easter 2014 to avoid disrupting their studies. Uplifting Youths through Beautification. It is a program where over 500 youths were trained and paid to decorate major towns in Ogun State for Christmas seasons of 2012 and 2013. Uplifting Traders. Uplift Development Foundation, in collaboration with Nigeria Bottling Company, distributed 50 Coca-Cola iconic kiosks with products, coolers, and branded refrigerators to the tune of 20 million naira to unemployed citizens in Ogun State in 2013. Going Green International Conference and Workshop. Mrs. Olufunsho Amosun organized a 2-day Going Green International Conference and Workshop in 2013 with the members of the European Parliament, representatives from West African countries, Wise of state governors in Nigeria, eminent environmentalists like Dr. Newton Jibuno, the House Committee Chairman on Environment, Honorable Uche Ekwunife, and environmental organizations like the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, Friends of the Forest, and so on, were in attendance. World Malaria Day 2015. This is a program where pregnant women and children are given treated mosquito nets and multivitamins to help wage war and eradicate malaria. Uplift Senior Citizens ATM Welfare Card, an ongoing program for the benefit of 500 needy elderly people every month in Ogun State since 2012 till date. Uplift Food Outreach. This is an ongoing program where over 15,000 vulnerable elderly and pregnant beneficiaries have so far received dry foodstuff and maternity kits from Mrs. Amosun since 2015 to date. GEFTI, Green Education for the Youth Level 1, where Mrs. Amosun wrote, illustrated, published, and gave 5,000 books to educate primary and secondary school students in Ogun State on the basics of going green, and distributed 10,000 tree seedlings to students to plant under the supervision of their agriculture teachers on Children's Day 2013. GEFTI, Green Empowerment for the Youth Level 2, is a waste-to-wealth program flagged off by the governor's wife in 2015 to empower unemployed youth in Ogun State. Uplift Under 15 Easter Grassroots Football Camp. This is an initiative where 22 footballers between the ages of 13 and 15 emerged from the 2013 Easter Holiday Football Talent Hunt amongst 2,500 students from across all public secondary schools in Ogun State under the tutelage of a renowned British football scout, Mr. Jim Colston, with the support of Nigeria's ex-international footballer Chief Segun Odegbami and football ambassador Mr. John Fashanu. Uplift Under 15 Summer Football Camp in Italy. The pioneering beneficiaries of the Uplift Under 15 Grassroots Football Camp from the 2013 Easter Football Talent Hunt were taken for soccer training in Italy over the summer holiday in 2015. Metro's Microcredit Scheme. This is an ongoing interest-free microcredit scheme aimed at assisting men and women in Ogun State to set up small-scale businesses in order to be self-employed and self-reliant. The Warming Exercise of School Children, an ongoing program in collaboration with Emzo Pharmaceutical Industries aimed at ridding school-aged children of intestinal worms that could cause mental and physical retardation, poor health, and low blood level. Uplifting Women Living with HIV/AIDS. This program was designed to empower women living with HIV and AIDS with items like mini business stands, deep freezers, sewing machines, various food items for sale, generators, grinding machines, amongst others, to set up small-scale businesses and encourage women to go for HIV and AIDS testing, and support women living with HIV/AIDS by campaigning against stigmatization and discrimination. Uplift Artificial Limb Camp. This is an initiative in collaboration with Tolaram Foundation, where artificial limbs were given to the physically challenged persons free of charge across the state in 2012 and 2013. Uplift Save Motherhood Initiative. This program focuses on mothers and children with the aim of improving maternal health and reducing infant mortality in Ogun State. The program adopts one health center in each 20 local government area, renovates and equips the delivery rooms and infant child welfare clinics, The initiative also provides mama kits, consumables and essential drugs for pregnant women. Uplifting rural dwellers. This initiative focuses on free distribution of ceramic water pots or Milero pots to rural dwellers in Ogun State with the aim of assisting them to filter out the dirt, debris and bacteria from their water, thereby reducing outbreak of waterborne diseases. Indeed, Mrs. Amosu is best described as a mother with heartfelt compassion to take care of the needy and the vulnerable ones.